Politics in the times of a pandemic. Joining me now on my face-off, Pawan Khera, the Congress's spokesperson, and Amit Malviya, the BJP spokesperson. Mr. Malviya, at a time when Gujarat has one of the worst mortality rates in the country, where Ahmedabad has the highest deaths in a way per million of cities of that size, is this the time to play politics and try and break the opposition simply to one extra Rajya Sabha seat? Is that what is driving the Gujarat BJP today?
Well, Rajiv, first of all, let me just do a fact check on what you just said. It's not Gujarat, but Delhi, followed by Maharashtra, which has the highest mortality in the country.
Not true, sir. Not true. Per million, Gujarat is higher, sir. Sorry, that's not true. 6.15% is Gujarat.
Rajiv, please allow me to make my point. I am talking about...
No, I'm fact-checking your fact check.
I am only mentioning the death rate per million. Delhi is at 46.71. Maharashtra is at 25.73. These two are the highest. So please don't tell me numbers. If you have different numbers, then you can run it later after I've done my intervention. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And therefore, for you to allege that Gujarat is going through a health crisis and it is a result of the politics that's playing out in the state smacks of a hypocrisy. If the Congress is breaking away, if their MLAs are resigning, what does it have to do with the BJP? Has any one of them joined the BJP yet? And please tell me, is it the BJP's job to ensure the Congress MLAs stick together? Secondly, when Uddhav Thackeray was running from pillar to post to get himself nominated to the assembly, I did not see you run a program saying politics has its peak, Maharashtra is suffering, what is Uddhav Thackeray doing, why is Sonia Gandhi not speaking? After all, they are in alliance. But you conveniently pick up Gujarat, you pick up Amit Shah, who's not even an MLA, who's not even active in the Gujarat politics. He's the Home Minister of India, but you spin your entire program around Amit Shah, naturally because you don't like his politics.
No, one minute. Mr. Malviya, you've got to answer one question very simply. My simple question to you is, what is the priority at the moment of the Gujarat government? To break the Congress before an election? Or is it to get the situation in Gujarat under control? And if you tell me that Amit Shah has nothing to do with Gujarat politics, then I must be living in cuckoo land.
Yes, you are living in cuckoo land, and you've been living in cuckoo land for a very long time.
Okay.
I mean, I hate to remind you on national television, but that's the reality. You always see snakes where there are none. Because you would not want to raise this issue around Gujarat Congress leader, you are raking up Amit Shah. Let me tell you, Amit Shah as Home Minister of the country is also doing a lot of other things involving the COVID, like interstate coordination, ensuring that migrants get back home. We've run approximately 4,347 trains, ferried about 60 lakh people. How is it all of that happening?
Every day the Home Minister of the country is acting as the de facto BJP president, attacking one chief minister of the opposition after the other. Today it was Mamata Banerjee. Is that the role of the Home Minister of the country in a pandemic? To be doing election speeches for an election which is 1 year from now, when cases continue to rise in the country, Mr. Malviya? What are Mr. Shah's priorities?
Mr. Sardesai, is it your Minister of India, who's also a BJP leader, should stop doing any activity relating to the party? Are you saying that people of West Bengal, if they are being wronged and they are being denied their rights by the democratically elected chief minister there, then no responsible leader from the BJP should speak about it? I mean, what kind of standards do you want to set?
Should he not work 24/7 at the moment on controlling the pandemic instead of taking on chief ministers?
Take on the welfare of the people. If somebody has to speak for people of West Bengal, it is our decision, whether it is the Home Minister, it is the President, or it is any other leader. Why should Rajdeep Sardesai be deciding this? And who are you to question who Amit Shah speaks about and who he doesn't speak about? Does he need your permission, your
I am
approval?
a journalist who will question. I am not one of those journalists who will not question, but Pawan Khera, please respond to Amit Malviya. Please respond, Pawan Khera, please respond to Amit Malviya. He says, A, the Congress is breaking...
Please tell me, is Amit Shah responsible and Sonia Gandhi is not responsible?
Okay.
If Jyotiraditya Scindia leaves the Congress party, is Amit Shah responsible? Is JP Nadda responsible? Why is Rahul Gandhi not responsible?
Okay.
I mean, what kind of line of argument is it? You are a journalist, you have right.
Let Pawan Khera now respond to you, Mr. Malviya. Pawan Khera respond. According to Amit Malviya, the Congress is responsible for its own decline, whether it's in Gujarat where you're losing MLAs or whether it was in Madhya Pradesh where Jyotiraditya Scindia defected. Why blame the BJP? The BJP is doing electoral politics. The Congress does Twitter politics.
Rajdeep, BJP suffers from a typical victim shaming syndrome. आपने चोरी क्यों की इनसे मत पूछिए, जिसके यहां चोरी हुई उसको अटैक करिए कि आपके यहां चोरी क्यों हुई. It's a very strange mindset, but we are used to their mindset. I don't want to get into that. The so-called home minister, we just got informed by Amit Malviya that Amit Shah is the home minister. The country wanted to know who is the home minister. In the last 90 days, when there is a crisis in the country, the home minister goes underground. किस bunker में छिपे थे किसी को मालूम ही नहीं था. Suddenly when he smells elections, आ गए साहब. पूरे देश को आप कहते हैं boycott made in China products. 72,000 made in China LED screens at the rate of 25,000 rent per day per screen gets used in a Bihar rally, virtual rally. So much for this home minister, the worst performing home minister of the worst performing government in the history of the country, and here he comes and defends him.
No, that is a subjective evaluation that he is the worst performing home minister, Mr. Khera. The fact is that he wants to do electoral politics. He wants to win an election in the Rajya Sabha. On the other hand, the Congress is accused of doing Twitter politics. He is a politician at the end of the day, not just the home minister of the country.
If we question the government on its inefficient handling of the COVID crisis, if we question the government on failing to protect our borders in Ladakh, if we question the government कि देखो साहब नेपाल भी हमें आंख दिखा रहा है, आज नक्शा वैसे उन्होंने पास कर दिया अपने पार्लियामेंट में, तो then they come around and say अरे कांग्रेस is playing politics. हम रिटायर हो जाएं, घर बैठ जाएं, लूडो खेलें घर पे बैठ के, या आपकी स्मृति ईरानी की तरह अंताक्षरी खेलें. Of course we'll play politics, of course we'll question you. और जब जवाब देने का समय होता है तो बंकर में घुस जाते हो.
Is your party, Mr. Khera, melting down in Gujarat? Is your party melting down, which is why you've had to take your MLAs into resorts? Or do you believe that the BJP is responsible for breaking your party?
Rajdeep, you have no idea the kind of money, the kind of income tax influence, the kind of ED threats, the kind of CBI threats. They will resort to anything and everything, but let me tell you, let them dream. कांग्रेस को खत्म करने वाले खत्म हो गए हैं. कर लीजिए जितना कोशिश करनी है. Because we are on the side of the people. यही गुजरात के चुनाव से पहले क्या क्या बातें कर रहे थे. 200 सीटें, 150 सीटें, पड़ गए थे 99 के चक्कर में. So Mr. Amit Shah has taken it personally. How did he have to struggle so much to win Gujarat? इनका अपना बैकयार्ड वहां नहीं जीत पा रहे थे.
No, you're making
याद आ गई सबको, इनको पसीने छूट गए इनके, तो इसलिए no, it's an ego. Now the problem is when you are in power, when you are the ruler, you don't have to have ego. Please think of the people of India. Please work for the migrant labor जिनका वोट लेने आप चले गए बिहार. जब उनको घर पहुंचाना था तब तो ट्रेन नहीं दे पा रहे थे, घर बैठ गए बंकर में छुपकर. And now you are going there to seek their votes. Shameless man. And where you are in the opposition in West Bengal, you are questioning them. तब तो आपको हम नहीं कह रहे politics कर रहे हो.
Can I get Mr.
हम आपको question करते हैं तो हम politics कर रहे हैं.
Mr. Malviya, two allegations being made. Allegations being made, and these have been made also by journalists at times also, that there are large amounts of money are changing hands in Gujarat. A, the politician here on the show is saying that, and B, that cases are being dropped against those who are defecting. That those Congress MLAs who defect, the cases against them are being withdrawn. Is this Amit Shah Niti back again in Gujarat? Is the charge that is being made by the opposition. And the opposition says that during the lockdown, Mr. Shah was barely visible. Now with the unlocking and with elections being smelt in Bihar, in Bengal, in Rajya Sabha in Gujarat, Mr. Shah is back.
Look, Rajdeep, I heard Pavan Khera go on and on. You know, ideally, or on most occasions, I would have had his colleague Sanjay Jha on such programs. Sanjay Jha is right now writing articles saying there's a meltdown in the Congress party. It's perhaps maybe a matter of few months that Pavan Khera would also be penning such op-eds and may not be seen on television. So let's discount whatever he's saying, because we know what's happening in the Congress party. Let me come to the allegation made about changing money changing hand and so on and so forth. I want to ask the Congress party, do they think Jyotiraditya Scindia is somebody who needs money? I think he can buy out a lot of congressmen many times over, knowing fully well how corrupt most Congress people are. So the allegation that money is being paid.
He's referring to Gujarat. He's referring to Gujarat, Mr. Malviya, that money is being paid to get MLAs to defect. The same amount of money could be used on public health infrastructure in Gujarat.
Rajdip, जब पवन खेरा बोलता है तो आप ऐसे सुनते हैं.
No, I have given him, I have asked him the same question. Do not try to put me on the defensive, sir. He has been asked the question, you will be asked. Are you buying MLAs in Gujarat? Are you buying MLAs? Are they coming of their own sweet will or are you buying them over?
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं. If you think that there are any merit in this allegation, let's call Jyotiraditya Scindia and the 20 MLAs from the Congress who defected from MP. Chalo, Jyotiraditya Scindia may not need money. Maybe the other 20 needed. How much money they were paid? Get that out. आके टेलीविजन पे बोलना कि पैसे दे रहे हैं ये. अरे भाई आपकी लीडरशिप इतनी घटिया हो गई है, इतनी अनइंस्पायरिंग हो गई है कि कोई आपकी पार्टी में रहना नहीं चाहता. ये बात क्यों नहीं समझ में आ रही है? सिंपल सी बात है.
I will get Mr. Kheda to respond to that because but before that I want to ask you, Mr. Malviya, do you believe that these are good optics? That in a state where there is a serious coronavirus crisis like Gujarat, this is a time to play defection politics?
राजदीप, you are not willing to understand what I'm saying. अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी के एमएलए उनकी पार्टी को छोड़ के जा रहे हैं तो भाजपा क्या करेगी? हमने कांग्रेस पार्टी को चलाने का ठेका लिया हुआ है क्या? भाई कांग्रेस पार्टी का तो चलाने का काम सोनिया गांधी जी का है. उनसे पूछिए कि उनके विधायक क्यों जा रहे हैं. आप हमारे हमने क्या किया भाई? अगर कोई अपनी पार्टी छोड़ के जा रहा है हम क्या कर सकते हैं? पकड़ लें उसको.
Mr. Kheda, respond to that.
पकड़ लोगे उसको?
नहीं.
Mr. Kheda, respond that your party, again, the charge is your leadership is ineffective. It's unable to stop the defections. You cannot, Amit Shah or the BJP is simply, in a way, getting the benefit of a party that's crumbling.
No, we should get Mr. Advani on your show one of these days and let Mr. Advani respond to all the points of Mr. Amit Malviya. Let Mr. Yashwant Sinha and Arun Shourie also come and remind them of. Let Subramaniam Swamy come and talk to them and give them a piece of his mind on what he thinks about the foreign policy and the economic situation of the country. I am not interested in what's happening in Gujarat. We know how to take care of our house in Gujarat or in any other state. The fact of the matter is, why are you running away? Whenever we ask questions, the Home Minister is missing in action. It looks like as if the entire government is in quarantine. है कहाँ सरकार कहाँ है? दिख नहीं रही. जब मजदूरों को घर पहुंचाना होता है तो गायब हो जाते हैं. जब वोट बटोरना होता है तो आ जाते हैं खर्चा करने, पैसे फेंकने. पैसे फेंकोगे इस देश पर कब तक? Don't think you can make a fool of this country. Don't think so. एक बार आपकी बातों में लोग आ गए, दो बार आ गए, बार बार नहीं आएंगे. और गुजरात को बार बार याद दिलाकर आप हमें कह रहे हैं हमारे एमएलए बिक गए. ये हम जानते हैं आपकी स्टाइल क्या रहती. आप ही के शंकर सिंह वाघेला जी बताएंगे आपको क्या स्टाइल रहती है. आपको तो आपके घर से निकले थे, उन्हें पूरा मालूम है क्या स्टाइल रहती है. इसलिए मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाइए. जिनको आप बड़े बड़े नेता मानते हैं, जिसको गृह मंत्री और प्रधानमंत्री बनाया, उनकी असलियत सब जानते हैं. गुजरात का एक एक बच्चा उनकी असलियत जानता है.
Mr. Kheda, you made your point. Mr. Kheda, you made your point, but there is one final charge, Amit Malviya, that he has made that you may want to respond to. According to him, that the government is calling for a boycott of Chinese products, and yet is putting LED screens, thousands of LED screens made in China for the virtual rallies. True or not?
Of course, false, Rajdeep. I run the virtual rallies program for my party, and I know there are no LED screens of whatever amount and numbers that have been put. कांग्रेस वाले अपनी दुकान चलाएं पहले, अपनी जो इन्होंने प्रोप्राइटरशिप खोल रखी है उसको संभालें. हम क्या कर रहे हैं उसमें इनकी ज्यादा रुचि है. I mean, what kind of an argument is this? And you have called this face off to discuss Gujarat. कांग्रेस का स्पोक्सपर्सन कह रहे हैं मुझे गुजरात डिस्कस ही नहीं करना है. अरे मतलब भैया हो क्या रहा है? आप गुजरात डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हो अपने चैनल के एयर टाइम पे. यू वांट टू malign the बीजेपी. कांग्रेस स्पोक्सपर्सन कह रहा है मुझे
one minute. It's not me, sir. You are the figure. It is Gujaratis today. It is the please understand, Mr. Malviya. Neither you nor I, every day we carry different states. Mumbai is also questioned and so is Gujarat. Gujarat has no special prerogative, nor does Maharashtra, nor does any other state. And you have to answer questions for Gujarat just as the ruling class will have to answer for Maharashtra. So those are the rules of the game. Delhi will also have to answer the questions for Delhi. The fact is, at the moment, Gujarat is one of the worst affected coronavirus cases. What is the Chief Minister doing? Busy breaking the opposition. That is the truth.
Rajdeep, मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि गुजरात is not the worst affected. Delhi and Maharashtra are worst affected.
Sir,
but
they are not. We can debate this. I have the numbers. It's time you did some fact checking, sir. It's time you did some serious fact checking.
गलत होता है. अभी आपने कुछ दिन पहले डिफेंस मिनिस्टर
The mortality rate, even that is absolutely right. Mr. Malviya, you cannot carry out, Mr. Malviya, you cannot carry on your fake news here. This is a news channel, not a fake news channel. So let me leave it there. Let me leave it there. Let's take a break at that point. I don't want to make it personal with you. Let's take a break at that point.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.